Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the BSM sensitivity in Toyota RAV4. Okay, so let's begin. First we need to open up the settings. We need to click on OK on our steering wheel. Now, using the arrows, we need to go to the downside until we select the BSM. Now we need to hold the OK button. And now the first option from the top is sensitivity. And now using the arrows, by clicking the OK, we can adjust the sensitivity. Okay, if you want to save it, simply go back using this button. And now our sensitivity has been changed. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.